Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is your channel for data analytics. Of course, before we get started, a couple quick favors I ask. You see that subscribe button down the bottom there? Click that subscribe button for me. Also click that like button, because you know what? Likes are more important than subscriptions now, because the more likes you get, the more likes we get, the further up the ladder our videos go. And I want to emphasize the words we and our, because this channel is really about you. You are the reason I make these videos, okay? Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Let's go over real quickie here. What we're going to do is, we're going to take a CSV file and convert it into an Emacs org mode table using an awk script, okay? What got me interested in this was actually a video over here, okay? And I'll include the link to this video and the other one in the script below. What he did is, he created a CSV file, he imported it, okay? Well, he cut and pasted a portion of a Excel spreadsheet into his org mode document. Then he used some key combinations to create, you know, the columns and the columns and the rows separated. Well, we're going to do that the old-fashioned way, using awk, okay? And of course Emacs. So we come over here, and I said, you know, write out Gawk script to create an org mode table from a CSV file. He says, creating an org mode table CSV file using Gawk is an excellent way to automate the conversion progress. Read the script, split the line, format the table, and print the formatted output. Okay? You know, and I'll cut and paste this script into the description below. Okay? So we did that. Okay. And there's our data, and there's our script. So GWK minus F. And so that's all fine, but the lines aren't going all the way across, right? There should be a vertical line separating the columns, and vertical lines separating the rows. So what's with that? Okay, let's just try some here now. That's interesting. Okay. So let's come over here, open up our Emacs, expand this bad boy out. Yeah, we could do the Control D, Control F if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that. And there's our data, right? Now let's hit the Tab key and see what happens. There is your org mode table in 2 easy steps, okay? And of course, before I let you go, be sure to click that like button for me at the end of the video, okay?